Hi, my name's Dustin McCaslin. My background in 3D engineering and graphic art. My father came to me with this project, and he said that we had some problems in the almond orchards with double drip line. And as we started creating it, I think it was around prototype 8 or 9. We used a different plastic and it was a little bit thinner, and I was trying to make it as cheap as possible for a farmer. And some of the problems that we were running it into is when my dad went out and he tested it, he hammered it, he put it through its trials, they didn't stand up to his quality, to his standard. And he came back to me and said, we can't do it with this cheap plastic, and we can't do it with this design. So we went back to the drawing board, and I told him, I said, we can make it beefier, we can make it stronger, but it's gonna cost more. And he said, I would rather have a quality product and have the farmer in the long run. He says, I don't want to cause another problem for the farmers. So he said, make the product right the first time. So we went with a higher density polymer, and we thickened it about 1/4 of an inch. And with this new design and with this polymer, it can take a beating and it'll last 25, 30 years in the field. It's UV protected, UV rated, so it'll last against sun, it'll last against beating, it'll last against the time, and it'll actually help the farmer in the long run, save him time, save him energy, save him headaches, and it's a great product. It was really fun to make and fun to start. So we looked at the competitors, I guess, and that would be the dirt and the clip, and they all have flaws to them. And the dirt is free, which is the good part of it, but it does come with a slew of problems. You're always going to be maintaining gopher damage, and lines are always going to be stretched and beat up by sweepers. And with the clips, they do rust out, and they are metal, so if they are hit with a mower or a sweeper, they tend to pinch the line where they're clipped at. And another problem with them is they do tend to rust out over 2 to 3 years, maybe longer, maybe less, depending on the alkalinity of your dirt. But with the polymer and the UV protection, this stuff is rated to last a long time. And that's part of doing a quality product and building something like this. And by taking the smaller problems off the table, over the last 50 years of farming, small innovations have brought us to where we are today. And we're saving more money, we're saving more water, we're saving more time, and become better farmers too.